Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying your controller. Wired plugs directly, wireless needs the official Xbox 360 wireless receiver. Once you've logged into an administrator account, plug the controller or receiver into a USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port. Make sure Windows starts searching for drivers automatically. That process fetches compatibility files. While it downloads, don't remove the device. This first step establishes the physical and permission foundation, so the system can recognize hardware and obtain the correct drivers automatically. Once Windows detects the device, open Device Manager to confirm it appears as Xbox 360 peripherals or an unknown USB device. Right-click and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically so Windows installs the appropriate driver. If that fails, pick Browse My Computer and point to a downloaded Microsoft driver package. For wireless controllers, press the receiver's Sync button, then the controller's Connect button. Make sure drivers finish installing before moving on so the controller reports input correctly. Now you verify functionality. Open Control Panel, go to Devices and Printers, right-click the controller and choose Game Controller Settings, then Properties to test buttons and triggers. If axes feel off, run Calibrate to correct dead zone and sensitivity. This ensures accurate gameplay. Once it responds reliably, set it as the preferred device. If problems persist, try a different USB port, reinstall the driver. Or for wireless units, check or replace batteries and resync. This single troubleshooting step often resolves intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.